everyone, this is Mike from Surf Electrical Services here with my son Luca, and we're here today to introduce you to video number 1 of our product spotlight, Lurton Caseta. Let's set the mood since I have my hands full. Alexa, turn on all lights. So with Caseta Wireless, there are 2 methods of installation. The method of installation we're going to talk about now is the simple installation. So with that, we start with the Pico remote. The Pico remote really has a lot to do with the whole Caseta wireless system. It can be installed into a wall plate, or it can be installed into a nightstand adapter. So when you install it into a wall plate, you simply slide it into the adapter. The adapter can then be mounted onto the wall with a switch plate, and it can look like a standard switch like we have here. You wouldn't know the difference between a switch or the wall remote that we have here. It can take the place of an outlet or a switch and just be installed directly into a box, or it can be installed next to it and added onto it and just simply put the wall plate on, and there you go, it looks just like a wall switch. So with the Pico, the first thing that we can install with it is the lamp adapter. So with the lamp adapter, you just take the plug from the lamp. You can do up to 2 lamps on this. Plug it into your wall switch, your outlet, and then it controls directly with it. Power turns on, power turns off, and as long as you have a dimmable bulb, you can dim it as well. Again, it can be mounted on the wall to look like a switch, or it can be mounted into the nightstand adapter and sit on your nightstand, or you can do both. You can install it in the wall. As you walk in the room, you can turn your lamp on, and then at night when you want to go to sleep, you can have it in another one paired to the same adapter installed on your nightstand, and you can turn your light off. You don't even have to get up to turn off the light. That's the first way. The second way is to take an actual wall switch to control any light or fan that you want to control. You would take out the switch, install the Caseta switch into there, and then you would pair your Pico with that switch directly. So together, these 2 will talk to each other. You can turn the light off and on through your standard switch. You can turn the light off and on through your Pico, where you install wherever you want, on the wall, on your top. And that's the simplest way that you can install Lutron Caseta. So the second method of installing wireless Caseta is to install the hub along with it. The hub will allow you to integrate your switches and Picos to the application that allows you to use your phone to turn everything that you've installed off and on. What happens is your hub will talk to the internet, talk to the app, then send a signal back, and then tell your lights and switches and whatever you've installed to turn off and on. The hub can take up to 75 devices, and a device would include your switch that you've installed inside the wall, your Pico that you've installed either inside an adapter in the wall or on your nightstand, or your lamp module. Along with being able to turn your lights off and on through the application that you can use on your phone, you can also set up schedules. At our house here, on our front lights, we have a schedule. The schedule sets the lights to come on at dark, and then sets them to come off at 11, 12 o'clock at night, whatever you prefer. Another thing that you can do with the application is you can set up a scene. You can tell the application to turn on, say, your kitchen lights and your dining room lights for a scene while you're cooking. You can also have all the lights come down to a certain level, and you can call that your movie scene. So there's a lot of different things that you can do once you have all of your devices installed inside the application. The application we install onto a tablet or your phone. And what happens is you install all your devices. We have all our devices here. They're all listed. And you can tap on them once they're installed. And you can either dim them, you can turn it off, turn them on, and basically that goes for any device that you have installed inside of your Caseta app. Once you've installed all your devices into your Caseta app, there's other ways that you can use your Caseta app. Your Caseta app will integrate directly with multiple interfaces such as Apple. It will, Alexa, turn off main sitting room lights. Alexa, turn main sitting room lights on to 50%. So see, with this device, we can ask Alexa to turn off or on lights to high, medium, or low. The next device that we can turn off and on using our Amazon Alexa is a fan. Alexa, turn on dining room fan 1 to high. And there we go. There's your Amazon Alexa integration.